Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2025 set 1, question number 37. Consider a relational schema team, name, city, owner. These are the attributes. With functional dependency, name implies city, name implies owner. The relation team is decomposed into two relations. T1 contain name and city and T2 contain name and owner. Which of the following statement is or are true? And 4 options are given. If you see the options, it is asking about BCNF. For BCNF, either A, B should be trivial functional dependency. Means if there is A implies B, then B should be subset of A. Either it should be trivial, or if there is a non-trivial functional dependency, then A should be the super key. Either A should be key or B is subset of A. Then only we can say it is in BCNF. Let's check the options. Option A, the relation team is not in BCNF. Now team contain name, city, owner. Here city is dependent on name, owner is dependent on name. It is not trivial relationship, it is a non-trivial relationship, but name is the key. Hence the relation schema team is in BCNF. Here it's given not in BCNF, that's why it is false. Option A is false as the relation schema team is in BCNF. Now option B, the relation T1 and T2 are in BCNF. T1 contain name and city, T2 contain name and owner. Name and city, name and owner, where city is dependent on name, owner is dependent on name. In both T1 and T2 relation, name is the key. And there are just two attributes. When there is just two attributes and the non-prime attribute is dependent on prime attribute, it is surely in BCNF. Hence option B is true. The relation T1 and T2 are in BCNF. Now option C, if you see, this is T1, this is T2, and we have relation name, city, owner. Now T1 contain name, city, T2 contain name, owner. So city will be automatically come here. It is a lossless join. As all attributes are here, it's a lossless join. I already discussed table method for checking the lossless. We found option C is true. Next option D, the relation team is not in 3NF. It is in BCNF and BCNF is subset of 3NF and there are no transitive dependency. And here also name is the super key, that is also a property of 3NF. Either it should be trivial or A should be the super key or B minus A should be some key. Okay. As name is the key, hence it is also 3NF. Here it's given not 3NF, that's why this is false. We found option A and option D are false, while option B and option C are true. Answer will be option B and option C. The relation T1, T2 are in BCNF and it is a lossless join. Also the relation schema team is in BCNF. Also in 3NF. I already discussed 3NF and BCNF. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.